So today we're gonna talk about Maple Ridge community. Why nobody wants to leave this community. So let's get started. Maple Ridge Golf Course, just a few minutes away from this property. If you're not a golfer, you're more interested in shopping. South Center Mall or Deerfoot Meadows Shopping Center, right there. So you instantly notice how this home sits on an oversized lot. It's 50 feet wide and guess what? Deep 124 feet. Very rare find. So when you're looking for the new home, you wanna set the bar high as the quality of this house. This house has 10 feet quartz countertops, top of the line appliances, Bosch, decor, lots of cabinet space. We have the wine fridge, not one but two pantries. And wait, the best part is coming. Look at this deck. What connects outside and indoor living? This bungalow offers 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and right now we are in the primary suite. This ensuite has heated floors, double sink, 2 shower heads, and the shower bench and floors heated as well. The lower level of this bungalow offers a wet bar with a wine fridge where you could entertain your friends, has 2 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom, and the second full laundry room. See, this home has a dream backyard, has double car, oversized garage, and 2 green spaces. And the oversized garage features epoxy flooring. So if you're excited and you wanna see this home in Maple Ridge, give me a call. My name is Giedrė Vitkauskaitė with Redline Realbro.